Hello friends, welcome to Ultimate Health Guide. If you're into intermittent fasting but haven't seen the scale move in the direction you want, you might be falling victim to some common mistakes. Today's video is packed with valuable insights on the worst intermittent fasting blunders that can actually lead to weight gain. We'll break down each mistake, explain why it happens, and provide actionable tips to help you overcome these challenges. Get comfortable, grab a notebook, and let's dive into how you can make your fasting routine work for you and not against you. This video is going to be very informative, so be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Awareness. Intermittent fasting is a fantastic tool for managing weight and improving health, but it's not a magic solution. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can creep in and undermine your efforts. Let's explore these frequent errors in depth, understand their impact, and learn how to avoid them to enhance your fasting journey. Number 1. Overeating during eating windows. One of the biggest pitfalls with intermittent fasting is overeating during your eating windows. You might think you can make up for fasting hours by indulging in large amounts of food, which often leads to consuming more calories than you burn. After fasting, hunger can become intense, leading you to eat more than you need. The freedom of an eating window can tempt you to overeat, thinking you've earned it. How to fix it? Focus on nutrient-dense foods and practice portion control. Build your meals around proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Use smaller plates to help with portion sizes and eat slowly to give your body time to signal fullness. Consider meal prepping to avoid the temptation of overeating when you're extremely hungry. Number 2. Inconsistent fasting schedules. Intermittent fasting works best with consistency. Frequent changes in your fasting schedule or irregular fasting can disrupt your body's metabolic rhythm, making it harder to manage hunger and metabolism. Busy schedules or changing commitments can lead to skipping fasts or changing your fasting times. How to fix it? Establish a consistent fasting schedule and stick to it as closely as possible. Consistency helps regulate your body's internal clock and hunger signals. Plan your fasting around your daily routine and use apps or alarms to remind you of your fasting and eating windows. This helps maintain a steady rhythm and can improve results. Number 3. Neglecting hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during fasting periods. Dehydration can lead to increased hunger, headaches, and fatigue, making it challenging to stick to your fasting routine. You might not feel thirsty or might forget to drink water while fasting. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day, and don't forget to hydrate during fasting hours. Carry a water bottle with you to ensure you're drinking enough throughout the day. You can also include herbal teas or infused water for variety. Keeping hydrated helps manage hunger and supports overall well-being. Number 4. The wrong foods post-fast. The quality of your post-fast meals can significantly impact your results. Consuming high sugar or high carb foods right after fasting can lead to insulin spikes, fat storage, and disrupted weight loss efforts. After fasting, your body might crave quick energy sources like sugary snacks or fast food. Choose nutrient-dense foods for your post-fast meals. Incorporate lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables to stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you full longer. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid grabbing unhealthy options in a moment of hunger. Including a balance of nutrients in your meals supports better weight management and overall health. Number 5. Ignoring portion control. Even with intermittent fasting, portion control remains important. Eating large portions during your eating windows can lead to excessive calorie intake and hinder weight loss. The flexibility of eating during certain hours might lead you to overindulge. How to fix it? Be mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portions and avoid overeating. Eating slowly and paying attention to your hunger and fullness signals can prevent overconsumption. Consider tracking your food intake to stay aware of your portion sizes and overall calorie consumption. Number 6. Lack of sleep. Quality sleep is vital for effective weight management and overall health. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that control hunger and appetite, making it harder to regulate cravings and maintain a healthy weight. Stress, work schedules, or lifestyle factors can interfere with your sleep quality and duration. Create a calming bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and make your sleep environment conducive to rest. Addressing sleep issues can improve your fasting results and overall health. Consider establishing a regular sleep schedule to help your body recover and regulate hunger hormones effectively. Number 7. Skipping exercise. Fasting alone is not a substitute for regular physical activity. Exercise plays a crucial role in burning calories, building muscle, and enhancing metabolic health, complementing the benefits of fasting. Some people may rely solely on fasting without incorporating exercise into their routine. How to fix it? Integrate regular exercise into your lifestyle. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular workouts, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Regular physical activity enhances the effects of fasting and supports weight loss and overall fitness. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine to stay motivated and active. Number 8. Misinterpreting hunger cues. Understanding and responding to your body's hunger signals during fasting is crucial. Misinterpreting these signals can lead to either overeating or undereating, disrupting your fasting routine. Fasting can sometimes make it difficult to differentiate between genuine hunger and other sensations. How to fix it? Practice mindful eating and become more attuned to your body's signals. Learn to distinguish between physical hunger and emotional or habitual eating. Eating slowly and paying attention to how your body feels can help you make better choices and avoid overcompensating during eating windows. Number 9. Using fasting as an excuse for poor lifestyle choices. Relying on fasting while neglecting other aspects of a healthy lifestyle can limit your results. Fasting alone won't counteract poor diet choices, lack of exercise, or high stress. There may be a misconception that fasting can override other unhealthy habits. How to fix it? Adopt a holistic approach to health. Combine intermittent fasting with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and effective stress management. Addressing all aspects of your lifestyle will help you achieve better results and improve overall well-being. Focus on making sustainable, healthy changes across all areas of your life for optimal health and weight management. What we should do. Now that we've tackled these common intermittent fasting mistakes, it's time to make some changes. Take a moment to evaluate your current fasting routine and identify any areas where you might be falling short. Implement these actionable tips to correct errors and enhance your fasting results. Remember, consistency and a balanced approach are key to success. Stay dedicated to your goals and make the necessary adjustments to optimize your intermittent fasting experience. Your health journey is unique, and these changes will help you achieve your desired results. Thanks so much for watching. We hope these insights help you refine your intermittent fasting routine and see better results. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with more health and wellness tips, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Ultimate Health Guide. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you, so drop your fasting experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Let's continue on this journey to better health together. See you in the next video.